In this video, I am gonna show you how to make a calculator using Arduino UNO. Components needed: keypad, Arduino UNO, liquid crystal display, jumper cables, potentiometer, and a breadboard. Take keypad matrix and connect 8 jumper cables to it. Same as this. Start connecting jumper cables to the Arduino from 13. Take breadboard and connect 5 volts and ground to it. Red terminal is positive and black key is ground. Take LCD and connect to the breadboard. VSS to the ground. VDD to the 5 volts. Take the potentiometer and connect to the breadboard. Middle of the potentiometer to the VO of the LCD. Connect positive terminal of the potentiometer to the 5 volts and negative to the ground. RS to the first terminal of Arduino. RW to the ground. E to the 1. D4 to the 2. D5 to the 3. D6 to the 4. D7 to the 5 of the Arduino. A to the 5 volts of the Arduino. K to the ground of the Arduino. Source code will be in the description. Download the source code and copy it to the system. Download these 3 files from the description. Copy the keypad and LCD to the libraries of the Arduino. I have already copied it, so I am. Now copy the keypad into the Arduino directories examples. Open Arduino software. Examples, basics, Arduino calculator. Upload the source code. Done uploading. Connect the power source to the Arduino UNO. Adjust the brightness if it's too bright. A means plus, B means minus, C means multiply, D means division, hash means equals to, star is equals to clear. 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. 5 into 2 is equals to 10.
Thanks for watching and keep supporting.